Hello everyone, we are Universal Indo Charcoal. Right now we want to check the quality of our coconut charcoal briquette, and we will do drop test where we will drop this coconut charcoal briquette from 1 meter height. Before we do it, we burn it first, then after it burned we will drop it from 1 meter height for several times. So let's check it out.